Have you ever wondered how the fresh chicken you enjoy at your family dinner or favorite restaurant actually reaches your plate? From the very first crack of an egg to the moment it's perfectly packaged and delivered, it's an incredible journey powered by cutting-edge technology, unwavering care, and world-class standards. In this video, we take you behind the scenes on a complete, hyper-realistic tour of a modern chicken production facility. From the gentle hatching of chicks to the final moments when the product arrives at restaurants and grocery stores, you'll witness the precision, hygiene, and innovation that ensure every piece of chicken is safe, fresh, and of the highest quality. Stick around till the end to see how this remarkable process beautifully comes full circle, from our farm all the way to your fork. If you're amazed by the technology and care behind your everyday food, hit that like button right now. Drop a comment below with your favorite part of the process, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. We have many more exciting behind-the-scenes videos coming soon about how your favorite foods are made with care and precision. Let's begin this fascinating journey together. From the first joyful bite at a family dinner to sunny picnics filled with laughter, every happy meal begins with care and precision in a modern food production marvel. But before any plate is served, the journey starts at a pristine factory, a sanctuary of hygiene and advanced technology where millions of meals begin each day. It all begins in a climate-controlled hatchery where technology gently meets nature, cradling each egg in perfect warmth until the first tiny beak breaks through the shell in a powerful moment of new life. From there, fluffy yellow chicks move to the brooder house where automated systems deliver perfectly balanced nutrition and clean nipple drinkers provide fresh water on demand, keeping the environment dry and hygienic. Weeks of careful feeding, climate control, and veterinary care result in healthy, robust birds raised in spacious, stress-free houses. When the time comes, they are transported calmly in climate-controlled trucks with specialized crates to ensure they arrive relaxed at the processing facility. At the factory, trucks dock smoothly into the receiving bay as the cold chain stays unbroken and every shipment is logged for full traceability. Birds are gently unloaded and moved onto the line where humane stunning instantly and painlessly prepares them. Precision automated blades perform clean cutting and bleeding, followed by a controlled scalding tank that loosens feathers at exact temperatures. In high-speed rotary drums, soft rubber fingers gently remove every feather while water keeps everything clean. Advanced robots then handle evisceration with three-dimensional imaging, carefully separating organs while maintaining perfect sterility. A powerful final sanitizing wash cleans every surface before rapid chilling in ice-cold moving water quickly lowers the core temperature to lock in freshness. Next, high-speed machines scan and portion each bird into perfect breasts, thighs, wings, and drumsticks with surgical accuracy and zero waste. Specialized equipment then debones the breast meat cleanly, followed by a final wash and optical inspection using cameras to ensure only flawless pieces continue. At the packaging line, multi-lane scales precisely weigh and combine pieces to hit the exact target weight every time. Each portion is sealed in a modified atmosphere package that preserves freshness naturally, then automatically labeled with barcodes, dates, and QR codes. Every tray is checked once more on a scale and metal detector before robotic arms gently pack them into shipping boxes. These boxes are sealed, labeled, and stacked by robots onto stable pallets that are tightly wrapped for protection. In the automated cold storage warehouse, guided vehicles move the pallets into towering racks kept at precise low temperatures. When an order arrives, the system retrieves the exact pallet and smoothly transfers it onto a refrigerated truck where tamper-evident seals and digital scanning ensure complete traceability and an unbroken cold chain. The truck then begins its journey across highways, delivering to regional distribution centers where seals are rechecked before smaller vehicles carry the fresh chicken to restaurants and grocery stores. In busy restaurant kitchens, chefs inspect and store the product carefully, while at supermarkets, trays are neatly stocked on refrigerated shelves ready for families to take home. At checkout, the package finally reaches the customer, completing a remarkable circle. From our farm to your fork, this is the story of modern chicken production, a journey built on care, cutting-edge technology, and unwavering commitment that ends with happy families enjoying meals together.
This video is created for educational and informational purpose using advanced AI tools using human creativity. All concepts, script, and storytelling are independently developed to ensure its originality. Visuals and animations and other enhance using AI technology such as VO3, Meta AI, and Grok AI, while final editing and post production are completed using CapCut. No external creator content has been copied or reused. Any resemblance to real world environments, factories, or processes is purely coincident. All scenes shown in this video are digitally created and do not represent real footage. This content is produced with transparency and follows all YouTube monetization guidelines.